I think at that age, see, it's only learning, right? Or everything that you do is you're doing most of the things for the first time, right? And if you're doing something for the first time, what, like, success or failure, I think almost become, immaterial. Jo bhi hoga, you'll get to learn and then move on, right? And of course, it's easier said, in hindsight. At that point, you feel very bad, and you see what has happened and all of that. But I think very very soon, I think one good thing which happened, at least in this journey, is that I learned to fail very quickly, I feel. And dealing with failures, and of course you continue to have them. Some of them are small, some of them are big, but I think this, just knowing that if you're doing something for the first time, failure will happen, right? And and then you just figure it out, okay, and then you just reflect on that and see what worked and what didn't work, and then take those learnings and then move on. So yeah, so, like, for instance, I think when I joined this residential school, in Bihar, and here I was, like, a 25-year-old, here to lead the school, and then everyone else who was part of the school, like, 15 years, 20 years, elder to me. And then, of course, I was not trained for it. I didn't know how to run a school. I didn't know anything, right? I didn't even know why this, the founder of that school entrusted me with that role. I was surprised, because the JD said 5 years of experience, and I didn't even have 2 years, right? So, anyway, long story short, like, when I ended up uh, being there, and I think, one is just having this, just knowing that you will be in situations where you don't have answers, right? And then just having that humility, probably, to just accept and know that while you may while you may be in a certain role or a certain position, but you still won't would not know everything. And you need to make efforts, and you need to, uh, like, figure it out. You need to, find your way of those ambiguous situations you are part of. So, and I think, of course, there is self doubt, and there is, all of that, whether I'll be able to do it or not. But I think, I think someone was mentioning about, like, the importance of the team and the importance of, people around you. And I think I felt that's the most critical thing. I think you're just surrounding yourself with people who would, uh, one, of course, question, right? Because unless that happens, then you keep repeating your mistakes. So I think having, like, that group view is very critical. And at the same time, I think just the skill of being a good listener, I think that has really helped a lot along the way. Just because most of the times people you're working with would have answers to things, right? But you'll be able to listen to those answers only if you're listening, right? So I think this thing about, just having your ear very close to the ground, I think has been very useful to navigate.